Hey there, LinkedIn users. Today, I'm going to share exactly how you can contact LinkedIn customer support. While they don't have a support line or email, there's still a way to get in touch. Let's dive right into it. Start by going to linkedin.com/help/linkedin/solve/contact. Click on it. Select Other as the category. Type in any random text or question X support. And hit Enter. Scroll down until you see Create a Support Ticket. Click on it. Now, you can contact support by leaving an email and categorizing your request or question based on its nature. LinkedIn support is usually fairly prompt in getting back to you, so rest assured that your concerns will be addressed. And there you have it. Now you know how to contact LinkedIn customer support, even though they don't have a traditional support line or email. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more LinkedIn tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.